All right, for today's Scratch lab, you're going to be doing something very similar to yesterday's labs, but let's go over it. Scratch variables and loops. Change is used to change a variable's value by either adding or subtracting from the variable's current value. And I think you've worked with variables enough at this point to understand that. And when you say a variable name, the output is the value of the variable at that state in the program. So if I start with c is equal to 5, change it by 2, c now has a value of 7. If I then change c by -4, c is now 3. So throughout the sequence of a program, a variable can change at any given point, and we're going to see that more and more throughout our programs. A repeat means code will execute a specific number of times or until a condition or value is true. So much like our if statements where we were seeking true values, we can do a repeat with a true conditional decision that takes us through a set of commands that only execute when the repeat reaches a true condition. Multiple say commands can be run, but you must pay attention to the order of the say and the change commands to get to the right answers. Now, what I want you to do today is get out a sheet of paper. Just to get started, you're going to need to write down the answer to your problems and submit those today. So there's 5 problems here, and what I want to know is what is the output? What was said? And so you must capture everything that is said, because in the case of this program that we looked at yesterday, the first thing it said, it would say is 75, and it would change by -5. But what was the last thing it said? Was it 55 or was it 50? What is the right answer? And so this is also gets into being careful about when you say a variable's value and whether you're capturing all of the true data. To make this problem most effective, we would say the initial value of a before we enter the repeat loop, change it, and then say the value at the end. And that would give us a more correct statement than what is being said in the statement in some cases. So you have to think about the order of operations of your say statements and what is really being said. So watch the screen carefully as you execute the code. Just like this problem, the answer is 75, 70, 65, 60, 55. What is said in the statement? All I'm looking for is a single number or a list of numbers for the output. Sometimes our problems will be letters, like yesterday. ABC might have been the output, or DEF was the output. Here, pay close attention, because you can change one variable by the value of another variable. And so we want to know what's going on here. And this repeat loop is going to really make a difference in what's happening. So pay close attention in this one. You're going to submit 5 text-based answers instead of code today, and have some fun with these problems. And we'll talk about them tomorrow or online.